You're here to watch the attempt of Jordan to head into work. He's got a 335i, custom tuned. He's got Pilot Super Sports. I knew it.
Mike, is it that much of a downhill that I can reverse?
Yeah.
I can't go forward?
Dude, this is where I always get stuck. This much of a hill just tricks the cars just like stupid.
Let's push him.
I'll leave that there. Round and round. I've got no traction, man.
Nothing. Push off.
I don't have traction here.
There you go. I got it. Keep rocking. Keep rocking. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
Just keep spinning the tires until it warms up.
Oh, he's stuck there now.
Now you're blocking the path.
Now you're stuck.
I'm gonna try to get some speed.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that might be enough momentum. Come on, keep it going.
You got it. No, you're done.
Dude,
Let's try this. This won't work, but we'll try it.
all off.
No, that doesn't work.
Hey, on the plus side, your exhaust sounds great.
I'll push you.
Like, how far back will I go?
Oh, dude, full run out. Yeah, he could go down there where it looks like it's kind of clear.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you'll get enough speed. Yeah, a little bit more than that, I think.
Yes, you got it. You got it. It's over. You got it. There you go. Oh god, don't slide. You stuck again? Yeah, you stuck again. I'm just kidding.
I mean, it's in a good place.
Yeah, it's fine there, but you went in the garage?
I actually spin.
Yeah, both tires.
Yeah, they're spinning.
They're just free spinning.
Yep.
It's funny. Just the idle of the car
Is enough
break
to.
the tires loose. Watch. I'm not even gonna touch the accelerator. I just let go of the gas.
Well, so earlier you were leaving it like that over there, and they both were just.
Yeah. Well,
I can't help you. I made tracks, and you decided to go off of them.
no, it veered off. I don't know what happened.
You're sliding. We'll get there. You want in the garage?
Sure, you gonna push?
Yeah, I'll push. Oh my god.
You think that's gonna?
I don't think it'll help, but ready?
You're already in a rut because you kept
Spinning. Yeah.
doing what you did.
Ready, go!
Go! Gas! There we go.